So this will be a commentary for Topcoder SRM 591 Division 1, I think. Yeah. So for the 250 problem, the problem statement is as follows. We have some guy working, okay, that's irrelevant. So this guy's job is to reconstruct trees, given some partial information about them. So he needed to find the maximum possible diameter of a tree, given the following information. Some vertex in the tree is called V. The distance between V and the farthest vertex from V is D. For each x between I and D, inclusive, he knows the number of vertices such that the distance from V is x. So you're given all these x's, so you need to find the maximum possible diameter of a tree that matches the given information. I honestly, I did this problem a while ago, and I honestly don't understand my code. I have some idea of how it worked, but I don't know the exact details. So as you can see here, so I'm trying to find, I'm keeping track of the nodes that only have one edge coming out of them. For some reason, this was key to solving the problem. I think the reason why I think the tree, I don't think I think it's a graph, maybe a tree, I don't know. Let me double check. It is a tree, but this tree, the way I looked at it, I believe, is that if a tree had more than two edges, it was irrelevant to the problem. So I converted all nodes that had one edge. They either had one edge or more than one edge, and in that case I treated them as two edges, because more than two is irrelevant to the problem. Yeah, so like I said, I honestly don't remember what I wrote. I'm about to write it down. It's some very explicit formula, but I think the intuition comes from, okay, the nodes that have like degree 1, like you have to go through those, so the maximum diameter, I believe, has to go through those, and then you count, because if you see the picture there, you have to count from those one edges. You go either down or you go up, and then you take the maximum, or something. Like it was really hard. I remember it was really hard to understand back then when I was coding it, and I think it was pretty much a fluke that I got this question correct. Okay, here we go. I'm like writing down what I need. It's like I go through the ones. So the ones vector gives me the index of the it gives me the index of the node that has one edge. So, and then once I plus 1 would be the next one. So there was a relationship. I think I just brute force these two, because I needed to, god damn it, I don't even remember what I'm doing here. yeah, like that is some distance, and then you add it to something, and then you minus something, and it's like it's a mess basically. And since I did not write any code comments, like I have no idea what I'm doing here, but somehow it worked. So I was pretty happy about my performance on this particular SRM. My rating went down, but like I did okay in 30 minutes. Yeah, so if you can derive what I actually wrote on line 53, let me know, because I honestly don't remember what the hell I was doing, but it works. Anyways, this is the end of my commentary. Feel free to watch the rest of the 45 seconds left of the video.